Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waterford North, or near Wind Lake, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The storm has a history of ping pong ball size hail. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sturtevant, Union Grove, Wind Lake, Rochester, Yorkville, Browns Lake, Eagle Lake, Waterford North, Burlington, Waterford, Kansasville, and North Cape. People attending the Racine County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wisconsin until 9:45 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of New Rome to 9 miles northwest of Wisconsin Dells to 9 miles southeast of Lafarge, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Reedsburg, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Lake Delton, Gwinnett, Partyville, Spring Green, Montello, West Baraboo, Westfield, Ryle, Lawrence, Packwaukee, Plain, and Waukeena. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilhorn Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe